Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a thrilling drone showdown. On one side, we have the ATTOP drone, the Sky Conqueror, and on the other, the DROCON drone, the aerial ace. Buckle up, because we're about to take off into the world of high-flying comparisons. Let's go! First up, let's talk cameras. The ATTOP drone boasts a 2K camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. Reviewers have noted that it captures stunning, high-quality images that are perfect for those who want to document their adventures. Meanwhile, the DROCON drone has a 1080p camera with a 90 degrees adjustable lens. While it's decent, some reviewers mention that the image quality could be better. So if you want to capture your neighbor's backyard in HD, and then some, ATTOP takes the cake. Now, when it comes to fun features, both drones are like those overachieving kids in school who join every club. The ATTOP drone lets you draw routes, use voice control, and even show AV gesture for selfies. Reviewers love these features, saying it makes the drone incredibly fun to use. Meanwhile, the DROCON drone is no slouch either. It offers gesture recognition, voice control, surround flight, and gravity sensing mode. However, the 360 degrees flip feature on the ATTOP drone is a fan favorite. So ATTOP wins this round with its barrel roll. Ease of use is where these drones try to be your personal butlers. The ATTOP drone has one-button takeoff landing and a one-key return feature, making it foolproof even for beginners. It also has altitude hold to keep things steady. Reviews highlight its user-friendly nature, especially for kids and older beginners. On the other hand, the DROCON drone has headless mode and an emergency stop, which sounds like something out of a spy movie. Plus, it's got propeller guards to save it from your terrible piloting skills. However, reviewers appreciate the simplicity and reliability of the ATTOP drone's one-button features. ATTOP, you've done it again! Battery life. The ATTOP drone gives you 20 minutes of flight time with its two 1,100 mAh batteries. While some reviewers mention that the battery life could be better, it's enough time to film a short movie or chase your cat around the yard. DROCON, on the other hand, offers up to 24 minutes of flight time. Reviewers appreciate these extra minutes, noting that it allows for a longer and more enjoyable experience. DROCON wins this category, but just by a whisker. Last but not least, portability. Both drones are foldable and come with carrying cases. The ATTOP drone is like that friend who always packs light and is ready for an adventure. Reviews highlight its convenience and ease of transport. The DROCON drone, weighing less than 249 grams, is practically a featherweight champion. Reviewers love its ultra-lightweight design, making it extremely portable. DROCON, you float to the top in this round. Overall, the ATTOP drone is praised for its camera quality, fun features, and ease of use, making it a great choice for beginners and kids. However, its battery life and performance in windy conditions are points of concern. On the other hand, the DROCON drone is highly recommended for its battery life, portability, and solid build, although its camera quality and performance in windy conditions could be improved. So there you have it, folks. The ATTOP drone is your go-to for top-notch camera quality and fun features, while the DROCON drone excels in battery life and portability. Both are fantastic choices, but which one will make you the coolest kid on the block? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic showdown. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.